In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Grok AI in Windows 10. We'll keep this simple and straightforward using the Microsoft Store so you get a safe, verified install. Before we start, make sure you're on Windows 10 with an active internet connection. If you can, plug into a stable network or sit close to your router to avoid interruptions during the download. First, open your web browser or the Microsoft Store app on your PC and navigate to the official listing for the app named GrokX, which is developed around the Grok API. If you're in the Store app, use the search bar and type GrokX Grok API. You'll recognize the correct page by the app name and its listing details on the Microsoft Store. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the genuine Microsoft Store page helps you avoid third-party downloads and ensures automatic updates later on. Once you're on the correct page, click the Install button. The store may ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account if you aren't already. That's normal and helps tie the app to your device. If prompted to choose a device, select your current PC. The store will begin downloading the app and show you progress. This can take a few moments depending on your connection speed while it's downloading. Avoid putting your PC to sleep and try not to start other large downloads to keep things moving smoothly. When the installation completes, you'll see options to open the app right from the store, and it will also appear in your start menu so you can launch it later. If you run into an error at any point, start with the basics. Check that your internet connection is on and stable. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, or briefly reconnect to your network if needed. If you're accessing the listing in a browser, refresh the Microsoft Store webpage and try the install button again. In the Microsoft Store app, you can return to the app page and press the refresh icon, or simply close and reopen the store, then retry the install. Minor connection hiccups or a stale page view are common causes of failed downloads, and a quick refresh usually clears them up. That's it, you've reached the app page, clicked install, and if necessary, handled any connection hiccups by checking your internet and refreshing the page. Once installed, you're ready to open GrokX from the store or the start menu and begin exploring. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, consider sharing it with someone else setting up Windows 10.